Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will deliver lecture on probability, lecture number 28, in which I will solve some problems on variance and standard deviation of a random variable. Now we solve a problem. Problem is a class has 15 students whose ages are 14, 17, 15, 14, 21, 17, 19, 20, 16, 18, 20, 17, 16, 19 and 20 years. One student is selected in such a manner that each has the same chance of being chosen, and the age x of the selected student is recorded. What is the probability distribution of the random variable x? Find mean, variance and standard deviation of x. Now we solve this. Since number of students equal to 15, therefore probability for selecting a student will be 1 by 15. X denote the age of the selected student. Therefore x is a random variable. Since here we see that the age of the first student is 14. Again, age of the fourth student is 14. In this way, we see that the age is repeated. So now we prepare the table for probability distribution with frequency of same age student. And this is as follows. Here x be the age of the student, this is the random variable, and this is frequency, means the number of students whose age is 14 is 2. Here 1, 2. Here age of a student is 15, number of students with age 15 is 1. Here only 1. Similarly, number of students of 16 years age be 2. Number of 17 year students be 3. Number of 18 years students be 1. Number of 19 year student be 2. Number of 20 years student be 3. Number of 21 years student be 1. So number of student 2 plus 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, 9, 11, 14, 15. Since probability for selecting a student equal to 1 by 15, therefore probability for selecting here 2 students will be 2 by 15. Here probability will be 1 by 15. Here probability 2 by 15. Probability here 3 by 15. Here 1 by 15. Here 2 by 15. Here 3 by 15. And here 1 by 15. And this is the table for probability distribution. X be the random variable and Px be the probability for a value of a random variable. Now, Ex means mean. This is equal to, here value of the random variable 14 multiply its probability 2 by 15 plus 15 multiply its probability 1 by 15 plus 16 multiply probability 2 by 15 plus 17 multiply 3 by 15 plus 18 multiply 1 by 15 plus 19 multiply 2 by 15 plus 20 multiply 3 by 15 plus 21 multiply 1 by 15, and this is equal to 17.53. This is the mean. This is number 1. Now Ex square equal to, here 14 square multiply 2 by 15 plus 15 square multiply 1 by 15 plus 16 square multiply probability 2 by 15 plus 17 square multiply probability 3 by 15 plus 18 square multiply probability 1 by 15 plus 19 square probability 2 by 15 plus 20 square multiply 3 by 15 plus 21 square multiply 1 by 15, and this is equal to 312.0809. Now variance of x. Variance of x equal to E x square minus E x whole square, and this is equal to 312.0809 minus Ex 17.53 whole square, and this is equal to 4.78. Now standard deviation of x. Standard deviation x equal to square root variance of x, and this is equal to 4.78 square root, and this is equal to 2.19. Therefore our problem is solved. Now we solve problem number 2. Problem is, on the 3 faces of a die, the number 1 is written. On 2 faces 2, on 1 face 5. Die is thrown and number obtained is denoted by capital X. Then find mean. Now we solve this problem. Solution. Since number of faces on the die equal to 6, therefore probability of appearing one face will be 1 by 6. Since in 3 faces of the die the number 1 is written, on the 2 faces of the die 2 is written, number 2 is written, and on 1 face of the die number 5 is written. So in the die number written are 1, 2 and 5, not 3, 4, 6. Now die is thrown, then one face is appeared. We note the number written on the face. Let this number is denoted by capital X, and therefore capital X is a random variable. Now we have to find the mean. So to find the mean, we have to find probability distribution. Now it is to be noted that the phase with number 1 is repeated 3 times. The phase written with number 2 is repeated 2 times, and number 5 is repeated only 1 time, means not repeated. So we have to write the frequency of the number written on the phases. So here we frame the probability distribution table. Here x be the random variable, means x is the number written on the phase 1, 2 and 5. Number written 1 on the phase is repeated 3 times, so frequency will be 3. Number written 2 is written on 2 phases, frequency will be 2. Number written 5 on the phase is 1. Now, since probability for appearing one phase is 1 by 6, so here we get 3 phases. 1 is written on the 3 phases, so probability will be 3 by 6. 3 multiply 1 by 6 means 3 by 6. Here number 2 in 2 phases, so probability will be 2 multiply 1 by 6 means 2 by 6. Here probability will be 1 by 6. Therefore mean mu or ex, expectation x, will be random variable 1 multiply its probability 3 by 6 plus random variable 2 multiply its probability 2 by 6 plus random variable 5 multiply its probability 1 by 6, and this is will be equal to 6. Here 3 plus 4 plus 5, 12 by 6 means 2. So mean will be 2. If we are asked to find variance, we may find ex square, and this is will be equal to square of the random variable 1 square multiply its probability 3 by 6, value of the random variable 2 square multiply 2 by 6, and value of the random variable 5 and 5 square multiply 1 by 6, and then we may find variance of x equal to ex square minus ex whole square, and we put these values, and standard deviation x will be equal to square root of variance of x. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.